Instant-Pot Balsamic Chicken. This is what you'll need, and there is a link to a printable recipe in the video description. Start out with your chicken. We're going to season it nice with salt and pepper. Some garlic powder, paprika. And some of that sinful Italian seasoning. We're going to do that on both sides, guys. Alright, we're going to set our pot to saute. It's going to just stay on and high, and we're going to let it heat up. And while that happens, we're going to cut up our vegetables, our potatoes and carrots. Go ahead and season them with a little bit of olive oil and seasonings, and toss it to coat. Set those aside. Now it's hot, we added our olive oil, and we're going to go ahead and sear that chicken. Both sides again. I did it small batch. Once we got that done, add butter and balsamic vinegar, and let's scrape all that fond off the bottom. Add a little bit of garlic, and we cook it for a minute. Go ahead and add the broth, then your vegetables, and your chicken. Put the top on it and make sure it's locked down. Hit cancel, then pressure cook. We're going to take it down to 9 minutes and hit start. Once it's done, it's going to start counting up. We're going to do a natural release for 8 minutes. Press the thing to release the steam, and once the pin drops, you can open the top. We tempt it, and we're checking our potatoes and carrots to make sure they're nice and fork tender. Add the chicken to your plate along with the vegetables on the side, and just spoon that juice in the pot right over the top of the chicken and the vegetables both. Top it with a little bit of parsley to make it look pretty. And that's it. Thank you for joining me in my kitchen today. Please like and subscribe. It really, really helps, and y'all have an awesome day.